You can go back and forth like quite a few times to give it a good like pigment. Saturday teaching us. Sin Flowers, if you're here, yes, Saturday, I'm here with everyone. I'm so excited. Are you ladies going out now or stay at home, chill? Okay, good. So I'm good with thinking green. I did thinking green first. I'm always doing a lighter pigment first before a darker. But everybody have so many different way to do a marble look. So this is one of them. So I'm gonna using Honesty. And this is set already, so I'm gonna add the Honesty on. Looks stunning. It looks weird, and it's turned out great. I'm excited. Oh, this is gonna look stunning. So usually a lot of all you were asking me what I'm using for my drawing my veins. Everybody have different way, and then some were using like have a brush, and some of them are with using a little like a 3D brush. But I am going to share with you is really quick, simple, easy way. I'm using my crystal clears. This is freaking awesome. That when even I first start with doing a fusioning or marbling, marble nails with the marble ink or alcohol ink. This is so, it's happened that is so much easier for me. I'm struggling from the beginning like anybody else with beginning. So I'm gonna share with you really good tip and trick. It's only I need to use just this guy, and I'm gonna add some accents in there with painting. So only you need, if you need to draw the veins, so then you're gonna try to, if you want to vein to the way you want it, so what you need to do in the cleaned, whatever you want to clean to make it the vein spread. Wipe it off first. You can see that a little bit of residues on mine. So I'm going to be in this side. Do not use too much of your crystal clear, as it's gonna bleeding out all of your colors, which is that a lot of nail tech will ask for us the same question, that how you can able to not getting them is bleeding it out. Just give it a blend. Wipe up my brush and then dip it in. And then just literally, you see how I'm drawing it. There's no difficult, there's no need to using any of the other brush. But if you already have a brush and you have a different way, it's great. I think it's great either way. But it's such a really awesome and simple way for all beginners who's not gonna struggling with stuff. And the way it is. I think I'm happy with this. I'm not gonna mess up with this. And then so you can always advise the clients that, you know, none of the marbling look is gonna be identical the same, so they'll totally understand. And actually, they like the different look though. The nails Leonere, I know, right? It's and then hands-on on the class. It's gonna be so freaking stunning. It's like in nothing we experienced when we got an opportunity to show you right away. So this one doesn't need anything here. Egg here, gel painting. I'm gonna add jet black on it. Just showing it here, and then my little one of the ones right here. Call is the one, my crystal one. Tinted brush. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this gel painting is so pigmented to the point that you do not need a whole lot. And I give it a little bit of drawing without put it too much in there. And you just go along with the veins. You don't want to completely cover the veins. Great. I'm gonna do is here under the LED lamp for about 60 seconds. Clean my brush. How I clean my brush for all of you who are asking the same questions. Get my palettes right there, and then no wipe top coat. So I just need to drop one drop. Nail Salon Junkie, hello, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Hello. Swirl my brush until it release. You can see so all the release is a black remaining gel painting. And look at my brush. Clean, like nothing happened. And then just make sure you wipe up. And if you are working on the clients, make sure you cap on. I freaking love this because this is all compact and cap on so you won't losing your brush easily. Which is, I mean, I'm saying losing it, I mean that you hear it with your lights, LED lights. So let's go into next. I want to add a little bit just a gold touch on it. So I'm using a golden touch. You can do silver, you can do however you would like to. I think you also, I wonder, I've never tried green though, but it's gonna be interesting. Maybe next time we should. You think? Just a little bit. This is, I promise, it's super easy and simple. If you follow exactly what I'm showing you. I don't want to cover too much of this. I cover a little bit gold, but I still want to see my black veins underneath. But this is the golden touch. It's so pigmented. So you can draw just a little bit. It already shows the hint of the gold in it. I'm so freaking love it. It's not like it's gold, but it's so bright. Great. I'm happy with this. I'm going to keep it for 60 seconds. And then we top coat this nail and this will be done. Clean my brush on the side right here. And then wipe it off. Clean it again. Good. This is the 2 nails. You're very welcome, Foxy Loxy. This is really cool, Sunny. Hey, thanks so much, Corina. Hey, Mika, how are you, sweetie? It's such a productive today, right? Mika, oh, she's on Facebook right now. She's such a really awesome, talented, one of my teammates. She's not only my teammate, also my business partner. I'm so lucky to have her and few other in the team. We're all the power girls, right, Mick? It's like so all of you. I get such a great opportunity to get to share with every single you today. Oh, that's one nice. So what should we do? Everybody please vote matte or shiny. It looks like we're going shiny because we have a shiny collection right now. I feel weird when I have a matte. But if you feel like you want a matte look, this looks stunning though. Shiny looks good too if you're doing a shiny. Yeah. Oh my God, make you go, girl. She's so like go-getter and said, I am gonna do it, Nancy. And you make me so proud. I did the jade nails along with you. That's what. Oh, did you do it? You should take a picture and post it. The nail millionaire. Okay, so I don't know, shiny. Okay, shiny top coat. This is so beautiful. Thank you. Mick, we should do the jade nails on Tuesday. Okay, I'm going to do a shiny top coat as everybody requests. Ta-da! Top coat, 60 seconds under the LED lamp. Okay, we're no crystal today. How about that? I should do some crystal for everyone. Do you want to see neon green crystal or you want to do glow in the dark crystal? Now you get to pick. Oh, I like that one. Look at this. I want the frame. I want the frame. I want the frame. This green is such a really stunning. I found some design for us, everyone, from my crystal collection. Okay, I can play like this all day long, but let's go to work. Let's get to work then. Hold on. I know what I'm gonna do. Beautiful design for you.